Hi there, I'm James Godwin from Spongecomms, and this is the Kia Proceed. Now then, this isn't any old test. You see, this press pack says nothing about the suppliers behind this car, i.e. the people who helped make the car. So this feature will not extol the features or the virtues of the Proceed's efficient powertrain, its wonderful handling, or even its Peter Schreier styling. No, what we'll look at is some of the many suppliers who work in the background, helping the car manufacturers bring their products to fruition. We are talking about the brands you will have least heard of. For while Tier 1 brands such as Brembo, Recaro or even Meridian appear regularly on the buyer's options lists when speccing a new car, people are oblivious to the companies that help make things happen. Now then, back in the olden days, the OEMs, or the original equipment manufacturers, used to make just about everything down to the seats. Some makers, such as Ford, were even able to turn raw materials into running vehicles, and all in one complex. Nowadays, however, a lot of the components and systems are made by suppliers. Piano black finish. Anyhow, on some cars the interiors are built up from suppliers such as Intier, Lear, JCI and Faurecia. In fact, over at Volkswagen, Faurecia have helped the Golf shed 100 kilograms just by having lighter interior components. Now then, on some Kia models the mirrors are provided by Gentex, while a variety of roof designs are courtesy of Webasto. Unfortunately, we've got a fixed roof here. Glass usually sized from the likes of Pilkington, while Intiva products keep the electric windows in their place. Bowles Fluidics are well known in the industry for designing and developing the wiper nozzles, while the windscreen wipers themselves usually come from the likes of Trico and Bosch. The engine is great, and underneath the bonnet we have the likes of Bosch, Borg-Warner, Denso, Federal Mogul and Valeo developing and manufacturing the starter motors, turbos, alternators and the ignitions. Coming back to the exterior mirrors are from SMR, while the likes of Magna and Hoof provide the exterior trim and door handles. Now, I'm unaware of the manufacture of the wheels on this car, but the likes of Alcoa make forged alloy wheels and cast alloy wheels. I usually go for the forged ones because they're a lot lighter, tougher and stronger. TI Automotive cover areas such as brake lines, while the experts at TRW patent a multitude of things such as the braking systems and fasteners. Away from fasteners, engineers are relying more upon adhesives to glue exotic materials together, and that is in the quest for engineering efficiencies and of course weight saving. 3M, Henkel and PPG are leading here. And why not? If glue can replace stitches in surgery and rivets on the wing of an aeroplane, then why not have them appear more on a car? If I were to saw through this car, don't worry Kia, I will not saw through it, I'll get into trouble. And of course this needs to appear on the front seat driver website soon. What I could show you if I did saw through it is a good cross section of the materials that go into it. Now we all know the likes of aluminium and some of the metals such as steel. However, I'm interested in some of the expanded polypropylenes that go into the seats. Yes, the likes of JSP supply an expanded polypropylene that can provide a seat that is lighter, stronger and more environmentally friendly. Elsewhere, safety-wise, Autoliv and other manufacturers provide the safety belts and of course the airbag systems. Now before the engineers hit the Nürburgring, Millbrook, Myra or the sunnier climbs at Idiada, they have their own vineyard, you know. Service providers such as EDAG, Rooker, RLE and Bertrand help bring the cars to life through scanning, surfacing, modelling and simulation. Companies such as these not only help the OEM but also the whole of the supply chain. Major equipment suppliers such as Continental and TRW with its Connect division also provide research and development services across not only the automotive industry but in some cases aerospace and defence. So there we are, a test of the Kia Proceed with absolutely no mention of its reasonable price. Thank you.